Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and one of the most frequently asked questions about the Meta Business Suite is how can I pause boosted ads that I have set up here in the Meta Business Suite? And the way in which you do that is by navigating over to the Planner section on the left-hand menu bar, or by clicking on the All Tools section and entering in the word Planner until you see it. Once you have done that, click on it, and this is now going to take you through to the Planner section here in the Meta Business Suite. And you can see right here we have got the boosted post for the messages one. We want to hover our mouse over it until it brings up some of the key details and information, and we want to click on the three dots. And this is now going to allow us to scroll down and click on the pause button. And we want to just confirm, yes, we do want to pause the ad. So we click the blue confirm button. And what this is now going to do is it is going to pause our boosted post ad. And if we do a quick refresh afterwards, we can double check to make sure that this action has indeed taken place. And here we are. We can now see that our messages boosted post has now been successfully paused. And that's all there is to it, everybody. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button and have a fantastic day, everybody.